Ever wondered if humans could breed with animals, creating a hybrid species? A thought-provoking, albeit unsettling question. This concept, while largely rooted in the realm of science fiction, teases our curiosity and dares us to probe the unthinkable. It challenges us to venture into the speculative, where we tangle with the bizarre and the extraordinary. But remember, it's not just about the what if, it's also about the should we. While unnerving, this question offers a unique lens to examine our scientific capabilities and ethical boundaries. History and mythology brim with tales of creatures that blur the line between humans and animals. From the ancient Greeks' Minotaur, a terrifying fusion of man and bull, to the Egyptian god Anubis, with his jackal's head atop a human body, these hybrids have long sparked fascination and fear. In the East, Chinese folklore celebrates the dragon, a potent symbol of power, often depicted with human-like wisdom and abilities. Native American legends also tell of skinwalkers, individuals with the supernatural ability to turn into any animal they desire. And who can forget the enchanting mermaids, half human, half fish, who've swum through countless tales across cultures. These stories, while fantastical, reflect humanity's enduring curiosity about the animal kingdom and our place within it. They ask, what if we could harness the strength of a bull, the keen sight of an eagle, or the agility of a cheetah? These ancient stories fuel our curiosity, but can science turn these myths into reality? Science, as we know it today, presents significant barriers to human-animal hybridization. The natural laws of biology are quite clear-cut and uncompromising. For starters, successful interbreeding requires a close genetic match, something humans and animals lack. Humans have 46 chromosomes, while our animal counterparts have different numbers, varying drastically across species. This mismatch in chromosome counts presents a major roadblock to successful interbreeding. Moreover, the complex processes that govern reproduction pose additional challenges. From the intricate dance of meiosis, where cells divide to form eggs and sperm, to the delicate steps of fertilization and embryonic development, every stage is finely tuned to ensure compatibility between species. These biological barriers make the creation of a human-animal hybrid an uphill battle. And while this might seem like a roadblock too big to overcome, the question remains, could the scientific advancements of tomorrow make what seems impossible today a reality of the future? These biological barriers make the concept seem far-fetched. But could future technologies change this? Enter the world of CRISPR and genetic engineering, the frontier of altering life's blueprint. CRISPR, or Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a revolutionary technology that lets scientists edit genes with unprecedented precision. Think of it as a pair of molecular scissors, able to cut and paste DNA sequences, altering the very fabric of life. In our speculative future, imagine this technology advancing to a point where we could incorporate specific traits from other species into the human genome. Perhaps we could engineer humans with the enhanced vision of an eagle or the heightened senses of a fox. It's a tantalizing thought, but one fraught with ethical concerns. However, it's important to remember that we're still in the early stages of understanding the full capabilities and implications of CRISPR and genetic engineering. As we continue to push the boundaries of science, we must tread carefully, ensuring our actions are guided by rigorous ethical standards. With these tools in hand, the line between science fiction and reality starts to blur. Even if science could overcome the hurdles, would we dare to cross this ethical Rubicon? Such a leap into the realm of human-animal hybrids would undoubtedly stir a whirlwind of ethical dilemmas. Consent, for one, would be a major concern. Who would have the right to decide on the creation of such entities? And what about the potential harm to the created beings themselves? Would they be granted human rights? Or would they be treated as mere products of scientific experimentation? The impact on ecosystems is another significant consideration. Introducing these hybrids into the environment could disrupt existing ecological balances, leading to unforeseen consequences. And then there are the potential legal and moral implications. In a world where such genetic manipulation is possible, we would need to establish new frameworks to regulate and restrict these practices. Ethical guidelines would need to be put in place to ensure the responsible use of this technology. But how would society react to the existence of human-animal hybrids? there would likely be a spectrum of responses ranging from acceptance to outright rejection. Cultural, religious, and societal implications would come to the fore, raising questions about discrimination, coexistence, and the very definition of what it means to be human. As we stand on the precipice of such speculative futures, we must question not just what we can do, but what we should do.